Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're back on Rush Raymore Reviews. So today we are in Patrick City, just doing a quick drive-in video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. You know, subscribing is absolutely free. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to like and share the video as well. So again, we're in Patrick City, just doing a drive around the community. You know, from time to time I do a community drive. We've covered numerous communities on the channel, such as Zadie Gardens, Uenden, along with others. So this is another one. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive. And as usual, what I usually say, if any of you guys probably currently reside in Patrick City, or if you used to live in Patrick City, if you grew up in Patrick City, just let us know in the comments section. Alright, looking out for those comments, guys. Thanks for clicking on this video and stay tuned. So we're approaching this very nice apartment complex. It looks pretty new as well, relatively new. You know, you guys have any more information on it, you can let me know. The street signs aren't marked, so to be honest with you, I'm not even sure the name of these streets because the signs are not marked, so they need some repainting. But very nice apartment complex just now. Nice design as well. And again, we're in Patrick City today. Who's from Patrick City? Just past a Midland Court apartment complex. Alright, so not a bad community, guys. Let me know your thoughts. It's just off the boulevard, so I'll end the video going back on the boulevard as well. So coming off Midland Drive. So we're now on Padua Avenue. You also have some really nice houses as well. You know, well painted, you know, manicure lawns, stuff like that. Alright, so we're now heading back out to the boulevard. Passing Berwyn Avenue. Alright, so we are back on the boulevard. So this is the Tasty right outside of Patrick City, and then that welcome to Patrick City sign as well. And then this left turn would be the main entrance and exit into Patrick City. And then on the front they also have the, I think it's called the Washington Plaza. That's the yellow and blue plaza right there. So that's another video, guys. Patrick City, Kingston, right off the boulevard. Just did a quick drive-in video for you guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment as well. So it's another community drive.